Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing this afternoon? My name is Brenda from Crafting with Sunshine, and I am a designer with MagnoliaDesignCompany.com. And today I received some stencils from Magnolia Design Company, and I haven't opened them yet, so let's open them. I always get excited when I get a package. This one is just stencils. Oh, must be a large one then. Sometime I forget what I ordered. I think this was the last sale we had going on. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be good. I got ideas for this one. It says, when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. And that's pretty big. Wow, I like that. I got some ideas. Look at the bee. I got some ideas on for that one. Life is good. That's a good one. Enjoy the little things. And then you have this flower over here. Could be one of the ones you blow, or we'll find out. Enjoy the little things. I like that one. Of all the things I have held in my hand, the best by far is you. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And you know what? I'm gonna make this for I have my son for his latest baby. I'm gonna do that. And then I have a great grandchild that's due any day now, and it's a girl. I'm gonna put the pink little feet. I'm gonna make two for the mother of the great grandchild. So that stencil is gonna get its use. Live, love, and laugh. A lot of possibilities with this one, um, because that's what we do. We live, love, and laugh. While we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Romans 5:8. That's a good one. Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. I have this one. Didn't I must have forgot, so now I have two, which that's okay. um, I can use this for a giveaway, or you know, today is a good day to have a good day. I think I had this one too. I really do, but this is true. Today is a good day to have a good day. She is strong, Proverbs 31:25. This will be good. Got my t-shirt crooked here. Uh, she is strong, Proverbs 31:25. This is a good one. Woman of faith, and that's Hebrews 11:1. I think I want to do this one tonight. A woman of faith. This would be a good uh, Mother's Day stencil too. And the last one, mother's love is the heart of the family. This is a good Mother's Day one as well. You can put it on a plaque, or you could put it on a door as a door hanger, a picture frame. Possibilities are limitless, and unleash your creativity. This is on my website at Brenda Davis at MagnoliaDesign.com. I love my stencils today. I can't wait to create with them. And I'm not doing nothing tonight. I'm going to change my pretty shirt or put the apron back on and unleash unleash my own creativity. Have a blessed night.